Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. I've got a training tutorial for you today on how you can actually start making money with this affiliate marketing strategy. You could spend 1 hour or more per day doing this. Now, what we're going to be doing is going to this site called instructables.com, and it's a site that gets a lot of traffic, and it basically is kind of in the DIY, the do-it-yourself type niche with home projects and if you're building things outside, gardening, interior, kitchens, bathrooms, just anything that has to do with improving the home, then they have a lot of projects that you can put on here. They have crafts, cooking, living outside, teachers, workshops, etc. So you can focus on many different niches inside of here. You can come and check out the site and just explore the different stuff that people, like right here, someone's teaching you how to make snowball cookies, but then you can come over and look at like this one right here, how to make a layered rainbow jump ring necklace. So all these different niches. There's even gaming on here, which is interesting. And then remote control light switch, right? How you could actually install or build a light switch, a remote control light switch. All right. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying to go and get other content from another place. And then we're going to go and look and see if there's any other affiliate products that we can grab and put into our articles. So it's going to be really cool. And then there's a couple different ways that we can actually get the content for this. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. So let's jump in real quick. All right, so what we're going to do is after you're going to go sign up for an account, right? I've already signed up. It's really easy. If you have a Google account, all you have to do is just sign up with Google, put in a couple of different pieces of information, and then you're all set. And then when we're ready to go publish, we would just push the publish button over here. But let's go find something that we could put on the site. So I'm going to focus on sheds right now. So I actually went over here to this site called doityourself.com, right? And they have a ton of different articles as well on their site. So, right, you're kind of like borrowing content from one site, and we're going to go upload it to another site that will actually allow us to put affiliate links. So that's what's very important, right, about this site. They actually encourage people to publish on their site. So you can think of it, it's a little bit like Medium, medium.com. But this one is Instructables. So you really want to like make it in like a how-to instructable type guide or format. Okay. You're going to be teaching someone how to do something. And so we're going to go and get content from somewhere else that's kind of similar to it, but this is the site that allows us to put affiliate links and actually publish our own content. So we're going to come back over here, and there's all these different niches, and then inside of each apparent niche, there's a ton of more niches. So you'll never be out of niches to go into. All right. So what we can do right here is I wanted to go after sheds because I know that where I'm going to get the product from, that there's a really good affiliate product for this. So I typed in shed because it wasn't actually a topic over here. And then there's all these different articles that we can actually like rewrite ourselves, right? So how to wire an outdoor shed, part 1. And right over here, so how to clean a vinyl shed. I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to go open it up and look and see what it looks like. So we have all this content right here. And okay, so we can grab all that content, and there's a couple different ways that we can do this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and we can rewrite this. Okay, I'll go like this, copy, and I'm going to open up a notepad real quick, and I'm going to go in here and see if this, what you'll need. You can actually push that. Oh, okay. There's like a little checklist, but I'm going to grab all this, and hopefully it won't bring in the images and all the ads and stuff, right? Okay, so I'm going to paste that in right there, and then you're just going to go and clean this up right there, and also going to get rid of that. There we go. We got the step, and then we're going to come through up here and just see if there's anything else like this. Continue reading right here. We're going to grab that as well and delete that. And we've got our article right here. Okay. So now there's some things, there's 2 different ways we can do about this. So one, if we take this content right here, then I recommend going to Quillbot or a spin rewriter and just pasting it in here and letting the software go and at least rewrite it for us. So it's unique in Google's eyes, and, you know, you're not going to get any kind of plagiarized content or anything like that. So we're going to go and all the stuff in orange, it changed. So it's going to change enough percentage of the text to make it unique. So we're going to copy that, right? And then what we would do is we could come back over here, and I'm just going to go and put a line right here so we know what is the rewrite and what is the original. Okay, so this down here is going to read really well, and then we have our steps, and we can go back and take this right here and go back to instructables. Okay, and we can go push the publish button and say we want a new instructable, and it's going to load up the editor, try out the new editor, not now, and I'm going to go ahead and put in our title, and then we're going to have some images that we might need to go and get. So you might want to go over to like either Pexels or Pixabay, and then we can go in here and just say shed. So we can go and get a couple just images of sheds. So like this one right here maybe, and we would just say download, and you could get like the smaller size. You don't need a big size. It's easier if you just log into your account, because then you're not going to have to do like a CAPTCHA and all that every time. So it's just going to download, okay? And we'll go back over and we'll grab like another one for fun. Let's just go and see. Okay, here's a good one. And we'll grab one more. It's a pretty small article that we're doing today. Pretty cool. We'll just grab this one. So we have our images, okay? And we have our content. We can come through over here, and this is where we will grab our files. So I'm going to just grab the file there, grab another file there, and drag and drop. It's that easy. So we have our files there. You can add videos if you want, and then we're just going to say upload. It's going to upload our images for us. It's really cool the way that this Instructable site works. It allows you to upload those multiple images at once. So then now we're over here, okay? So then we're going to add a step, or add our first step, okay? So right here, we have the intro, and you can drag and drop. So we're going to grab the image right there, and then we're going to go back over to our content, right? And we can just say, before we get to step one, we've got our intro right here. So I'm going to take that, we're going to put that in right over here, okay? So now what you're going to want to do is we can actually type in something like this: get great custom shed plans here, okay? But we need a product to promote with this, right? We need a product to promote. So I'm going to come back over, and we're going to go over. Now you can use Amazon affiliates, the Amazon affiliate program, because it's product based and it's going to be very easy to find products to do that with. So, but I'm not going to show you how to do that. We're going to actually go in to ClickBank over here, and I already went into Marketplace. I found the product, okay? And so we found a product over here called My Shed Plans. It's actually saying that their top affiliates make $50,000 a month, and they have as high as 9% conversion rates. So, but what's important is looking at the gravity. That means that in the last 2 weeks, at least 64 people have sold this product, 64 different affiliates. So it's still a really, really good product, and it's been on here for a long time. All you have to do is just click the promote button. And right over here, you could actually put in right here, and you could just say in Instructables. Generate. Okay, so then we have our link right here, okay? Now, you could go and cloak this link, or make it into a bit.ly link, or do something else like that if you want to. But in this demonstration, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to come over here, and I'm going to grab this right here, and then we're going to grab this link button right here, put in insert a link, and the URL is going to be right here, and we're just going to say insert. All right, so now we have this, it doesn't show it as a link, but it is a link, anchor. So we have our intro right here, and if you had any supplies or anything like that, you could adjust that as well, okay? So then what I'm gonna do is push just the save button right here. We're not ready to publish yet. And then you come back over here to the add button, and then we're gonna add a step. Okay, so then now we have another step. I'm going to put the image in over here, and then we're going to grab our text over here, and we're on step one, right? I'm going to do copy there. And then you could just put step 1. All right. And then you could put in an affiliate link or not on that, but I'm just going to push save and we're going to zoom through the rest of this real fast. Okay, so we've added all the steps. Could add more images, could put more affiliate links, but I'm going to go and just push full preview. We're going to go look at, see what we have so far. How to take care of a vinyl shed. We've got the nice image right there. You can actually download the PDF, you can favorite it, and then we have right here, right? And this is what it's going to look like. You can ask questions, add tips, and so forth. So we have another image there. We have step 2, and then it tells them what to do. So it's a nice formatted post, right? And once we get to the back button, we are going to push the publish button, and that link is not showing up. So I'm going to actually go and test that out and see if it holds that link. If not, we will have to go and cloak our link. You can adjust the image over here, what you want the cover image to look like, and then just say pub, and then you can put it in the category over here. This is going to be in outside, and it's going to be sheds, and publish now. I'm going to put it in backyard. Okay, so then you're going to get a link right here. I'm going to go and actually open this up. We're going to check the post out. Okay, so they're not allowing the link. So they're not allowing us to put that link in there. So I'm going to go and do some more testing real quick on what link we're actually able to use. So I will be right back. Okay, so I did some testing, and what I did was I actually went over to one of my websites and actually cloaked the link, right? So I actually used Thirsty Affiliates. You can use Pretty Links. You can use different link cloakers. But if you have a WordPress site, then it's going to work really well. There's other softwares out there that you can use that you don't have to, it's not a WordPress plugin or anything like that. But anyway, I went ahead and set this link up, and we went ahead and copied the link. And then we went back over in here to Instructables, and then I edited the link, and I did get the link to show up. So it's right here. Okay. But what it's looking like is, I don't know if it's because you have to have, if it's a new account, you may only be able to put one link in your article, because when I try to put the link twice, it does not allow me to put it right here. It does not allow me to put 2 links. Now, maybe that could be because it won't let you put the same exact link twice. That's possible. But we did get our link down here, and then your article also has to get, it does have to get approved. So we'll go through and get approved as well. So this is just one of the strategies. Another thing that you can do to write the content is you can actually take the title over here, and you could come into this software called Texta AI, and we could just write, we could put in the title right here, and we can say, write a how-to article on, and then we can just put in that keyword there one more time. And then what we could do is just push generate outline. And this is going to go out there and write a full article for us within like 8 seconds, which is super cool. What you'll need: step 1, step 2, where to find the shed, step 3, preparing the shed for storage, step 4, the maintenance plan, and then conclusion. So we're going to go over here and just say recreate text, and look how fast this software will go. You'll see the dial. It's going to be done like right now. Boom. And it's just fully done. So you can actually go and upload this entire, 1,000-word article right here. You can actually go and upload this as well. So you could do it this is actually easier than rewriting it in Quillbot. And all of this will also come over here, and we'll go to Copyscape real quick. So that's just an AI writer. Okay. So we can go to Copyscape and just see if this is unique. Content, premium search, and no results. So it's completely unique content. So that's another option, is you could just use Texta AI. I'll leave a link below. You can go check this out and pick it up for yourself if for a one-time payment, if that's something you're interested in. So that's it for this strategy. I think it's a really cool strategy. Let me know what you think in the comments. And this is a method that you could go out and do affiliate marketing and get traffic, use the traffic from another website. And it's a different strategy than what everybody else else teaching like go to medium.com and put up a bunch of content, right? You can actually use other sites and get creative. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next Make Money Online tutorial. Until next time, take care.